Good afternoon. Thanks for tuning in. We got a cool project. I'm gonna check on the bees today. I'm gonna be looking for larvae, eggs. I'm gonna be looking for capped honey. I'm also gonna be adding a box. That way they continue to make more honey. Because right now, I believe the second brood box is completely full. But we gotta get in there and check it. Right now, I don't have the bee suit on. But I'm gonna smoke them real quick just to get them started to calm down. Then I'll come back and I'll undo the top. I just want to get them smelling this and starting to relax. So my bee apiary got a little fell behind on it. Put these chips down, but I didn't put them thick enough, and weeds and grass are starting to grow up. So we got to apply another layer and get this all covered up. So the idea is to have all this nice flowers, and eventually Lloyd will be here instead of way up there. Alright, so I got the new box. These frames have wax comb already in from last year. So it's going to be good for them. They were not going to have to work as hard to get going and build comb. They'll just have to repair it and start making honey. Right now, I want to show you guys, if you can look, that white in the comb, those are bee larvae, and that is awesome. There's also capped bees on here, so this hive is thriving, and that's a great sign to see. This right here is capped honey, so that's awesome. So in this one I want to show you guys the difference. So bees are all female. You have worker bees, those are females, and then you'll have drones. Those are your males that don't really do anything. They go out and try to find new queens. But these big capped, those are drones, and these little ones that are capped, those are worker bees. And I don't know if you'll be able to see if I can get it on the camera. There is a bee, worker bee, hatching right there. You can see its head starting to pop right out. That's really neat. I have not found the queen. Like I said, I am not worried about it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the next layer on, and that way they can start producing more honey. This is a very, very healthy hive, and I'm really excited. I am really excited to get some honey this year. Last year, our bees swarmed away, and we weren't able to get any honey. At the end of July, I'm going to do another check and possibly harvest honey. That way, we get some this year. And that way, in the beginning of the fall, if they do decide to swarm, we'll at least have some honey for this winter. had another successful bee inspection. I am super excited. The bees are doing great this year. Last year they were really slow. Last year we got them and it was freezing out. It was the first day of spring, but it was snowing. So I'm really happy to see them be growing this year and the hive doing really good. I hear babies crying, so I'm gonna go check up on them. I would just like to thank you guys for watching. Again, please hit that subscribe button, like, share it, and also leave some comments. Thank you very much.
Sometimes I just like to come out here into the field and just smell the roses or the sunflowers.
I thought it was a rocket.
I thought it was in plastic.
Get ready guys, it's gonna be at the end.